Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.